Now, a Target 12 consumer investigation. Taken for a ride. We expose a high-risk trend that could leave you stranded. It's called a car title loan, promising quick cash if you're willing to use your car as collateral.
But they can come at a high cost. There's one some borrowers aren't even aware of. Target 12 consumer investigator Susan Hogan joins us with what she's found.
Oftentimes, these loans are fueled by desperation. Many of the borrowers have few things of value except maybe their car, and they've got bad credit. These companies offer quick cash, but unfortunately for many of their customers, in the end, they lose it all. It's a gut-wrenching noise. Your car getting repossessed because you couldn't afford to keep it.
How often are you repossessing cars from this one particular company alone?
We average about 25 cars a month with them.
This local repo man did not want us to reveal his identity, but he was willing to tell us about one of his biggest customers, Auto Loans LLC, a company that has many addresses. On one of their loan contracts, we found them listed in Florida and Nevada, but the contract also states that they follow the laws of the Cook Islands in New Zealand.
I'm sleeping. My son wakes me up. Mom, they're towing your car.
It's a company Dina Majera of West Warwick is very familiar with. Her car was one of the many repossessed when a family emergency left her in desperate need of a loan.
I got very frustrated with that because no bank would approve me. So I went online looking for title loans.
She says Auto Loans LLC promised quick cash from her car.
I got on the phone with the girl. She said I was approved instantly.
More than 1 million households in the United States used car title loans in 2013, according to the Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation. With these loans, also known as title ponds, the lender holds on to the title of the vehicle. It's a pretty standard arrangement until you see the interest rates involved. Dina's loan came with a 219% annual interest rate. That means for a $2,400 loan, she'd have to pay back over $7,000, a price tag she says she was never made aware of.
Could you afford that?
No, absolutely not.
Dina says she was told the loan came with an 18% annual interest rate and tells us it wasn't until weeks later when she finally received her paperwork in the mail that she realized how much it would actually cost.
That's when I called them. I said, this is not what I was told.
We contacted the Federal Trade Commission, who cautions these loans are high risk, can be deceptive, and warns customers to consider other options.
Terrible legalized thievery of what they're doing to people on these title loans.
State Representative Joseph Almeida is writing a bill that would limit the amount of interest companies can charge.
I'm still investigating. I'm still doing my homework so I can write a correct bill on this.
Dina has hired an attorney. He was able to get her car back under a judge's order and is now trying to prove the loan contract is illegal. Target 12, of course, reached out to Auto Loans LLC. We left numerous messages in both of their offices in Florida and in Nevada. The company never responded to any of our calls. The Better Business Bureau, by the way, gives the company an F for not responding to many customer complaints. I'm Susan Hogan, Eyewitness News.